Hi, today I will be talking about three things that you are automating in your marketing automation platform, but you shouldn't be. So, automation is powerful in marketing operations. Automating the wrong thing or everything can hurt more than it helps. So, it's important to understand the reason and strategy behind automating a process, a task, or a project. Now, I see it all the time. Teams are automating for speed and not for strategy. And most often, what it does is it creates mess, blind spot, and missed opportunities. So, here are three things that you're probably automating, and maybe you shouldn't be, at least without a proper data structure. Number one, lead lifecycle transition without clear entry and exit routes. So, if you are automatically moving MQL to SQL without defining why, without defining the logic, that's a fast track to broken attribution and sales frustration. So automate with logic, but not based on any assumptions. Number two, email nurture stream triggered too early. So sending someone down a nurture path after a single webinar registration, to me, it's noise and not nurturing. So let your data guide the journey and not just the triggers of your automation platform. Number three, data sync between or without data standards. So automating sync between marketing automation platform and CRM tools or other tech stack without proper field governance can lead to duplicate, dirty data, reporting or reporting chaos. So automation is only as far as the strategy behind it. So before you set the automation and leave it or forget about it, ask yourself three things. Is it scalable? Is it measurable or aligned with the business goal? And if your automation is answering these questions, then you're on the right path. Because in marketing operation, fast is not better. It is headed in the wrong direction. Thank you.